Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the ShibaBudz token, ticker symbol BUDZ, and if this token may or may not be a scam or not. Now I did do an information video on this token before, talking about how they have a pre-sale going on right now and just basically what the info is on this token. I had a few comments on that video saying that this token may potentially be a scam, and people were concerned about that. So we are going to go over their audit. They do happen to have a full audit by Solid Proof, and we're going to check to see if there's any concerns on this audit here, and if potentially the ShibaBudz pre-sale may or may not be a scam. And we're going to do all that in 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, if you want to know the info on this token, you could check out their webpage, ShibaBudz.org. All the info's there. Or you can watch my last video where I just talked basically about what the pre-sale is. And now we're going to go over their audit to see if it's actually sound here, if they have any issues on this audit here. So if you go to ShibaBudz.org, the pre-sale info is right there. They're in stage 3 right now as of recording this video. And they've raised a bunch of money here. They're 89.76% done this stage here, it says. So pre-sale still going on. So right at the very top of their page, it says how to buy, tokenomics, their paper, roadmap, and audit. So click on audit. That takes you over to a Solid Proof audit. And this was last updated 2023. So that's when this contract came out. They don't have a new audit from 2024, unfortunately, not one that I could see anyways. And they are on Etherscan here, so you could find them on there. And so their Solid Proof audit, it says ShibaBudz is not just another cryptocurrency, it's a vision for the future where blockchain technology meets market adoption, digital accessibility, transparency, and security. With the growing acceptance of gaming across the globe and increasing adoption of cryptocurrencies and other as alternative assets, ShibaBudz represents a trailblazer offering a unique and seamless platform for investors, gamers, and advocates alike. So basically that's what the project is. Now let's get to the nitty-gritty. So it says here, it's on the Ethereum network. It says here they've passed the critical phase of the audit, they passed the high phase of the audit, they passed the medium phase of the audit, but there is one issue in the low phase of the audit, one issue with information, and one issue with optimization. So basically 3 issues are on this audit. So if we look at that, I'm going to put it up right here, that type of information, so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is from their audit here. And so not major stuff, but there is issues. So if we're going to say that this contract is fully safe, that is not true. So there is going to be some things here that you should be concerned about. So this is maybe why I got a couple comments. Maybe people looked at this audit here. So it says this audit report consists of a security analysis of the ShibaBudz token smart contract. This analysis did not include functional testing or unit testing of the contract's logic. Moreover, we only audited the token contract for the ShibaBudz team other contracts associated with the project were not audited by our team, we recommend investors do their own research before investing. So there's also that. So they just audited the one contract. Sometimes they could have dual contracts in an audit too, like they could have a pre-sale contract and they could have a token contract. So there could be multiple contracts. So just be aware of that as well. So it says no crucial issues found. So nothing there. It says contract owner cannot mint new tokens. So these are all good right here. Contract owner cannot blacklist addresses. So that means they can't stop people from selling the token. Contract owner cannot set high fees. So it says that maximum is 25% or lower. Contract cannot be locked. Tokens cannot be burned. There's no burn function. And ownership is renounced. So those are all checked off. So, and then we scroll down here. So it says, here's the issues here. So it says, the pending issue here, number one issue is floating pragma solidity version. So it says, adding the constant version of solidity is recommended as this prevents the unintentional deployment of a contract with an outdated complier that contains unresolved bugs. So that sounds like it can be pretty sketchy, so just be aware of that. And then there's informational issue here. So it says functions that are not used, aka dead code. It says removed unused functions in the description. So they have numbers here for the problems that if you're a developer and you're real smart with these contracts, you could find the issues. The first one is L510, the other one is L2426, the other one's L417433. And then lastly here we have the optimization issue. It says public function that could be declared external, an external function. So use of the external attribute for functions never called from the contract, and they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 different numbers that you could check out there. And so yeah, basically 3 issues in this audit here. So definitely be aware of all those issues. So if people are saying that this could be a scam, they are absolutely right. Some people just say it is a scam. I don't know how people know until it is, but definitely there is some warnings on here, and you should definitely be aware of these risks involved. So although tokens get audits, that doesn't mean just because they have an audit that they are fully secure. And you should always review the audits, and basically that's what I just did, and there is warning. So be aware of that. You don't want to get scammed. Definitely review the ShibaBudz contract before investing. There is potential there for people to get lose money. So be aware of that. Check it all out. Let me know what you guys think about ShibaBudz down there in the comment section. Do you guys think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.